Have you ever pondered the harmony between the hum of the universe and the silent whispers of your soul? Our exploration begins with the tangible, physics. Let's consider vibration. It's the oscillation or movement of an object or medium around a point of equilibrium. Imagine a pendulum swinging back and forth, or the plucking of a guitar string. It's this motion, this vibration, that is the first step in our journey. Now frequency enters the scene. Frequency is a measure of how fast these vibrations occur. It's the rhythm to our vibrations dance, the tempo that shapes the melody of oscillation. Every vibrating system has a specific frequency, a unique signature that determines the nature of the waves produced. These waves could manifest as sound waves, creating the music we hear, or electromagnetic waves, forming the light we see. Vibration and frequency, two interconnected concepts, form the foundation of our physical world. Their interplay is essential in determining the nature of the reality we perceive. It's a causal connection, a relationship where the vibration directly influences the frequency observed. In the language of physics, we express this as A leads to B. The nature of the vibration, A, directly influences the frequency B we observe. But the dance doesn't end here. This symphony of vibration and frequency extends beyond the physical, resonating into realms more abstract, more elusive. It's a bridge that connects the physical world to the unseen dimensions of spirituality and metaphysics, a bridge we're about to cross. The rhythm of the universe, the hum of existence, is not confined to the tangible. It echoes within the silent whispers of our soul, within the unseen threads of spirituality and metaphysics. And as we venture deeper, we'll discover how this rhythm, this frequency, influences and is influenced by the spiritual states of our being. In the physical world, the dance between vibration and frequency creates the symphony of life. But what happens when we step beyond the tangible? The answer to this question will take us on a journey that transcends the boundaries of physics and ventures into the realms of spirituality. Join us as we cross this bridge and explore the interplay between vibration, frequency, and spirituality. As we journey from the physical to the metaphysical, frequency takes on a deeper, more enigmatic role. In this realm, frequency is not merely a count of oscillations per unit of time, but rather it morphs into a metaphorical measure of the rate at which spiritual and energetic phenomena vibrate. In this context, frequency becomes a bridge between the tangible and the intangible, the seen and the unseen. It's as if every thought, every emotion, every spiritual insight we experience vibrates at its unique frequency, forming an intricate symphony of energies that shape our reality. Just as a physical vibration gives rise to a specific frequency, our spiritual states too are thought to generate their unique frequencies. These spiritual frequencies are believed to influence and be influenced by our states of consciousness. The more enlightened or spiritually evolved we become, the higher our frequency is said to be. But what do we mean when we speak of spirituality? Well, it's a broad term that encompasses our personal journey of growth and self-discovery. It's our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. It's our connection to something greater than ourselves, a sense of oneness with all that is. In this metaphysical worldview, frequency and spirituality are intrinsically linked. There's a causal dance at play here. The frequency of our spiritual vibrations can influence our spiritual states, suggesting a path from frequency to spirituality. At the same time, our spiritual states can elevate our frequency, implying a reverse path from spirituality to frequency. The beauty of this dance lies in its reciprocal nature. It's a give and take, an ebb and flow. It's a dialogue between the physical and the spiritual, mediated by the language of frequency. It's a bridge that connects the material world with the realm of the spirit, allowing for a dynamic interplay between the two. In the realm of the metaphysical, frequency intertwines with spirituality, hinting at an intricate dance between the seen and the unseen. This dance, this interplay, forms the bridge between the physical and the spiritual, between the tangible and the intangible, bringing us one step closer to understanding the mystery of existence. In the spiritual symphony, spirituality itself becomes a conductor, influencing the orchestra of vibrations. Now, let's delve deeper into the realm of spirituality. It's a broad term encompassing personal growth, the quest for understanding the universe and a connection to something greater than oneself. In the grand scheme of things, spirituality is a silent conductor, orchestrating a symphony of vibrations that permeate our world. Spiritual practices, be it meditation, prayer, or the simple act of being present in the moment, can have profound effects on the physical reality and the energy of our surroundings. They serve as the baton in the hands of the silent conductor, directing and altering the oscillations of energy, setting the rhythm and resonance of vibrations. Take, for instance, the practice of meditation. It's not just an exercise in mindfulness, but a potent tool for tuning into higher frequencies. As the mind quiets down, the chaotic vibrations simmer down, aligning with the rhythm set by our silent conductor, spirituality. In this process, spirituality becomes an influencer, a guide that leads us to a state of equilibrium where the frequencies of our vibrations resonate with the harmony of the universe. It enlightens us, opening our minds and hearts to the subtle nuances of the symphony of life, enabling us to appreciate the orchestra of vibrations playing around us. These vibrations, in turn, reflect our spiritual states, manifesting the energy we radiate. It's a continuous cycle, a beautiful dance where spirituality and vibrations lead and follow each other in a cosmic ballet, creating a symphony that's as enchanting as it is profound. This interplay between spirituality and vibrations is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe. It affirms that we're not just passive spectators in the grand cosmic concert, but active participants, our spiritual states influencing and being influenced by the vibratory nature of existence. Spirituality weaves its magic, orchestrating the vibrations in the grand cosmic concert. This silent conductor, spirituality, works in mysterious ways, shaping the symphony of life and leading us on a journey of exploration and understanding that transcends the physical realm and ventures into the spiritual. In the grand symphony of existence, vibration, frequency, and spirituality play their parts, each influencing and enhancing the others. This trio forms a conceptual triad that's as intriguing as it is interconnected, spanning across disciplines from physics to metaphysics to spiritual philosophy. Let's take a moment to summarize the triadic relationship between vibration, frequency, and spirituality. Starting from the physical realm, vibration is the oscillation around a point of equilibrium, and frequency is the rate of these oscillations. Every vibrating system has a unique frequency, which is key in determining the nature of the waves produced, be it sound waves, electromagnetic waves, or seismic waves. Moving into the metaphysical, frequency takes on a more abstract significance, referring to the rate at which spiritual and energetic phenomena vibrate. This frequency is thought to influence and be influenced by spiritual states. Spirituality, a broad term, encompasses personal growth, the quest for understanding the universe, and a connection to something greater than oneself. Bringing these together, we see a potentially reinforcing cycle. The physical vibration leads to a measurable frequency, which in turn influences spiritual states. These spiritual states then affect the nature and form of vibrations. This cycle, where vibration leads to frequency, which influences spirituality, which then affects vibration, creates a continuous dynamic interplay. Alternatively, a more holistic approach sees each component as interdependent. Vibration leads to a union of frequency and spirituality. Frequency leads to a union of vibration and spirituality. Spirituality leads to a union of vibration and frequency. This perspective sees the universe as a deeply interconnected entity, where each part influences and enhances the others. The fascinating triad of vibration, frequency, and spirituality paints a picture of the universe as an intricately woven tapestry of physical laws, metaphysical mysteries, and spiritual whispers. Each plays its part, each has its role, and each, in its own unique way, contributes to the grand symphony of existence.